Good morning, dear children. Standard 8. Today, our topic is Unit 4 Life Mathematics. Good morning, dear children. Today, we are going to see a new chapter, Unit 4 Life Mathematics. In Life Mathematics, we are going to learn percentage, applications of percentage. About percentage already have learned in previous classes. Percentage is a term from Latin word. Now we are going to learn about applications of percentage. Percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100, that is out of 100. In mathematics, percentages are used like fractions and decimals as ways to describe parts of a whole. When you are using percentages, the whole is considered to be made up of 100 equal parts. The symbol is used to show that a number is a percentage. Note, a percent can also be expressed as a decimal or a fraction. For example, percentage is 25%. That is, fraction of this 25 by 100. Then decimal is 0.25. Here the denominator we have double zeros. So from the last leave 2 digits and place the decimal point. So decimal is 0.25. So percentage form is 25% and the fraction is 25 by 100 and the decimal form is 0.25. Is 4.1. First problem, fill in the blanks. First subdivision, 30% of x equal to 150. Then x is dash. So here 30% we can be written as a fraction. So the denominator is 100. So 30 by 100, half means multiplication into x. That is 30 by 100 into x equal to 150. Then we can cancel zeros. Then 3 by 10 into x equal to 150. Now we are going to find out the value of x. So remaining values, that 3 by 10 we can bring it to next side as a reciprocal. So 3 by 10, the reciprocal of 3 by 10 is 10 by 3. Then we can cancel with the third table. 3 ones are 3 50s are 150. Therefore the numerator is 50 into 10. So 50 into 10 is 500. Therefore 30% of x is 150. Then x is 500. Then second subdivision, 2 minutes is dash percentage to an hour. First convert the minute into hour. That is 60 minutes is 1 hour. That is 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hour. Now we are going to find out the value of 2 minutes. So 2 minutes equal to 2 by 60 hour. That is percentage we are going to find out. So percentage means multiply by 100. Therefore 2 by 60 into 100. So we have cancelled single zeros. Then 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now the numerator is 10 and the denominator is 3. Then we can simplify this. 3 threes are 9. Remainder 1. The remainder is a numerator and the denominator is 3. Then 2 minutes equal to 3 1 by 3%. Therefore answer is 3 1 by 3%. Then third subdivision, if x percentage of x equal to 25, then x equal to dash. X percentage means the denominator is 100. So x by 100, half means multiplication in x. So x by 100 into x equal to 25. Now we can multiply the numerator. X into x is x square equal to this 100, denominator 100. It's a division 100. So it will becomes as multiplication. So x square equal to 25 into 100. That is x square equal to 2500. Therefore x is equal to square root of 2500. So square root of 2500 means 50 into 50 is 2500. So from the pair we can bring one value outside. That is x is equal to 50. Therefore x percentage of x equal to 25. Then x is equal to 50. Fourth subdivision, in a school of 1400 students, there are 420 girls. The percentage of boys in the school is dash. So total students is 1400. Number of girls is 420. Then number of boys we can subtract from the total student. So number of boys equal to 980. We have subtracted. Now percentage of boys we are going to find out. So percentage of boys equal to number of boys divided by total number of students into 100. So zeros we have cancelled. Then 14 ones are and 14 sevens are. Here 0 is there, so 70. Therefore percentage of boys 70. Therefore answer is 70 percentage. Then fifth subdivision, 0.5252 is dash percentage. Percentage if you are going to find out, we can multiply by 100. So 0.52 into 5252 into 100. So when you are multiplying by 100, we can move the decimal point to the right side 2 units. So that means 52.52 percentage. Therefore answer is 52.52 percentage. Second problem, rewrite each underlined part using percentage language. First subdivision, 1/2 of the cake is distributed to the children. So 1/2 of the cake is given. So that means 1/2. And we are going to find out percentage language, that is multiply by 100. So 1/2 into 100, then we can cancel, that is 50 percentage. Therefore 1/2 means 50 percentage. Then second subdivision, Aparna scored 7.5 points out of 10 in a competition. That means out of 10 she has got 7.5. We are going to find out the percentage, that is 7.5 by 10 into 100. So zeros we have cancelled. Then 7.5 into 10. When you multiply by 10, we can move the decimal point to the right side 1 unit. That is 75.0. That is 75 percentage. Third subdivision, the statue was made of pure silver. That word pure represents 100 percentage. So directly we can write 100 percentage. Then fourth subdivision, 48 out of 50 students participated in sports. That is 48 by 50 into 100. So 51s are, 52s are. So 48 into 2 is 96. Therefore the percentage is 96. Then fifth subdivision, only 2 persons out of 3 will be selected in the interview. That is 2 by 3 into 100. The numerator we have multiplied, that is 200 by 3. Then we can cancel with the third table. 6 3s are 18, remainder 2. Again 6 3s are 18, remainder 2. And the denominator is 3. So we can give the answer as mixed fraction. The answer is 66 2 by 3 percentage. Note, when decreased x percentage is given, decreased quantity as D equal to 1 minus x by 100 into A. Then when increased y percentage is given, increased quantity as I equal to 1 plus x by 100 into A. Then when increased percentage and decreased percentage is given, the percentage changes x plus minus y plus x into minus y by 100 percentage. Increases x percentage and decreases minus y percentage. Decreased value, in this condition we have applied minus sign. Therefore decreased value is minus y plus x into minus y by 100 percentage. 48 is 32 percentage of which number? So the number we are going to find out. So let the number be x. So we can write the equation 32 percentage of x equal to 48. It is given in the question. We are going to find out the unknown value x. So 32 percentage we can be written as 32 by 100. Half means multiplication. X equal to 48. Therefore x is equal to 48. Reciprocal of 32 by 100 is 100 by 32. Then we can directly cancel with 16th table. If you are thorough in tables, you can directly cancel with the 16th table. Otherwise, you can start with 2 table. I have cancelled 16th table. So 16 2s are 32 and 16 3s are 48. Now we can multiply the numerator. So here again you can cancel. 2 1s are 2 50s are. Now the numerator is 3 into 50. Therefore answer is x is equal to 150. Therefore 32% of 150 is 48. Therefore the required number is 150. Then fourth problem, what is 25% of 30% of 400? So we are going to find out the value of the given, that is 25%. We can be written as 25 by 100. Of means multiplication sign, and 30% also we can be written as 30 by 100. Of means multiplication again. Then 400. Then we can cancel double zeros, we have cancelled. Then 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. Again 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. Now the numerator value is 5 into 3 into 2. So 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Therefore answer is 30. Therefore 25% of 30% of 400 equal to 30. Fifth problem, if a car is sold for 2 lakh rupee from its original price of 3 lakh rupee, then find the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. So what is given in the question? The value of the car is, original price of the car is given and the selling price of the car is given. We are going to find out the percentage of decreasing value of the car. That is, given original price of a car is 3 lakh. Then selling price of a car is 2 lakh. Then decreasing price, how will you find? We can subtract these two. So decreasing price of a car is 1 lakh. Now we are going to find out percentage of decreasing price. Percentage of decreasing price equal to decreasing price by original price into 100. Decreasing price already we have found 1 lakh and the original price is given as 3 lakh into 100. So that zeros we have cancelled. Now the numerator is 100 and the denominator is 3. Then we can simplify with the third table. 3 3s are 9, remainder 1. Again 3 3s are 9, remainder 1 and the denominator is 3. So we can give the answer as mixed fraction. Therefore percentage of decreasing price of a car is 33 1/3%. Seventh problem, a number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. Increased percentage is given and the value of increased value is given, that is find the number. So formula is I equal to 1 plus x by 100 into a. Here I value, increased value is given as 236 equal to 1 plus x percentage is here 18. So this is x value. So 18 by 100 into a. We are going to find out the value of a. Now 236 equal to, here the denominator is 1. So we can cross multiply. We can take LCM. So 1 into 100 is 100 and 1 into 18 is 18 and the denominator is 100 into a. Therefore 236 equal to 100 plus 18 is 118 by 100 into a. Now we are going to find out the value of a. So we can take the reciprocal of this. So 118 by 100, reciprocal of this equal to a equal to 236 into 100 by 118. So 118 ones are 118 twos are 236. Now 2 into 100 equal to 200. Therefore the number is 200. Eighth problem, a number when decreased by 20% gives 80. Find the number. So here decreased percentage is given and the value of decreasing is 80. Therefore D equal to 1 minus x by 100 into a. Here D is 80 equal to 1 minus x value is 20%, that is 20 by 100 into a. Here 80 equal to, here the denominator is 1. So we can cross multiply and take LCM, that is 1 into 100 is 100 and 1 into 20 is 20. divided by 100 into A. Therefore, 80 equal to 100 minus 20 is 80 by 100 into A. Now we can take the reciprocal of 80 by 100, that is A equal to 80 into 100 by 80. So we can cancel 80s. Then A equal to 100. Therefore, the number is 100. Then ninth problem, a number is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in that number. Now, the same question, increased and decreased percentage is given. Decreased percentage, always we have to use minus sign. That is, percentage change equal to, formula is x plus y plus xy by 100 percentage. X value is 25 and y is minus 20. Here decreased value, so we can apply minus 20 plus x is again 25 into y value is minus 20 by 100. Therefore, 25 minus 20 is 5. Here we have cancelled 25 ones are and 25 fours are 100. Then 4 ones are, 4 fives are. Now 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. So 5 plus minus 5 is 0. That is, percentage change is 0. Therefore, there is no percentage change in that number. Problem. If the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5, then find 20% of that number. So that number we can take it as x. So let the number be x. So what is given in the question? 75% of a number, that is 75% of x. Difference is given, so we can subtract minus 60% of the same number, that is 60% of x gives 82.5. 75% we can be written as 75 by 100 into x minus 60 by 100 into x equal to 82.5. Now 75 we can multiply, denominators are same, so we can multiply the numerator. 75 into x is 75x minus 60 into x is 60x and the common denominator is 100 equal to 82.5. 75 minus 60 is 15x by 100 equal to 82.5. Now the denominator 100, it's a division, so we can bring it to multiplication. So 15x equal to 82.5 into 100, that is 15x equal to 82500. After that we have added double zeros because we are multiplying by 100. Here after the decimal point we have only one digit, so from the last leave one digit and place the decimal point. Therefore the number is 8250. Therefore x equal to 8250 by 15. Then we can cancel with the 15th table. 5 50s are 8250. Therefore x equal to 550. Now we are going to find out 20% of x, that is 20% of 550. X value we have found 550. So we have written 20% of 550, that is 20 by 100 into 550. So double zeros we have cancelled. So the numerator 2 into 55, that is 110. Therefore 20% of that number is 110. 10th problem. The ratio of boys and girls in a class is 5:3. If 16% of boys and 8% of girls failed in an examination, then find the percentage of passed students. So here given percentage of boys failed is 16%, then girls is 8%. Ratio is given as 5:3. Then we can find the total parts of the ratio, that is total parts equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. This 5 represents boys and 3 represents girls. So now percentage of boys failed in the class is 5 by the total part, that is 5 by 8 into 16% already given in the question. So we can multiply 16 by 100. 8 ones are 8 twos are. and 5 also we can cancel, but no need to cancel because we are going to find out the percentage. So the denominator 100. So 5 2s are 10 by 100. 10 by 100 is 10 percentage. The same we are going to find out for girls. So percentage of girls failed in a class, that is girls value is 3. The total parts is 8. So 3 by 8 into percentage already is given 8. So 8 by 100. So 8 we have cancelled. So 3 by 100, that is 3 percentage. Now total percentage of students failed is 10 percentage plus 3 percentage, that is 13 percentage. Now we are going to find out number of percentage of passed students, that is 100 minus failed, that is 13. 100 minus 13 is 87. Therefore percentage of passed students is 87. I hope you all have understood about exercise 4.1. Today no homework for you. Copy down all the classwork problems in your Max note neatly. Thank you, children.